Okay, so my wonderful, amazing son tested his grip on my beautiful tweezers, and as you can see here, it is broken. Now these are amazing tweezers. Let me demonstrate, because they're 3D printed and they have, what do you call that thing, a compliant mechanism. So when they work, I squeeze the top and it squeezes the bottom, and it's beautiful. See, you can't see the whole thing. There you go, and there, and there, and there. Let me move that down. See, when that works, it squeezes, makes a large movement into a small movement. But it is broken here. So I have here my beautiful 3D printed, what do you call it? Little alligator clips to hold things for soldering. And PETG melts at, this is made of PETG. This is made of PLA, this one. And it melts at 240 PETG. PLA melts quicker, so I don't want to solder the PLA. Let me just put that in there, and that in there. Hold it. Come back here. Is it pretty hard to open wide? Open wide, little guy. There you go. Open wide. So nobody can see. I can't see. You can't see. Okay. Great. No, thank you, honey. I'm recording a YouTube video. I'm fixing this. And now you're going to be on YouTube forever. That was my beautiful wife. She wanted to help me dig a drainage trench. Yay. Okay, so I can see great. That's perfect. Okay, now this thing's hot. I'm gonna set it to 2. It's currently set to like 900. I don't want that. Which is Fahrenheit and which is Celsius. Celsius there, so it's set to 480. We need it at, I can't remember what it was. Pretty sure it's 240. Let me bring up the old Firefox and remember. What temperature does PETG melt at? And the answer is 230 to 250. So I'm going to put it to 240. I'll put 250 because it's not going to. So I'm just imagining. I'm just going to open it up. It's currently too hot anyway. What terrible thing's going to happen? Okay, we'll get rid of that. I'll just use one clip. Open it up. Melt, 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 melt. I've tried gluing it already and didn't work. Hold it together. Melt the outsides. Smooth it over. This thing's not very clean. I brought some wipes. I'm probably not gonna regret this. Okay, melt the outside. Ow, touch my finger. Do not touch it with your finger. And melt the top outside. I don't think it's worked. I don't know. It looks to me like it is still. I think I've, what is that word? Shrunk it maybe? I don't think this is fixable. I glued it with a really good glue, but they didn't work. Yeah, baby, let's go. Let's see if that's done the trick. Also, don't want to get any fumes in my face. The Spanish home group. It's not holding. Okay, maybe it's now it's really hot. I'm just gonna hold it still and hope that it cools down. I'm just blowing on it and holding it in place. Hopefully that'll be good forever now. let it rest. It's going to be a weak point forever, I guess, that little bit. Turn off the solder. So there is my welded joint. It looks pretty bad. It's just melted. Hopefully it's fixed though. Hopefully I can use these again because I really like them. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.